Do you think I can get it today?
Yeah, I think so. Alright, what's up, guys? Today we are joined with Snacks again because he is on the last quest he needs to get the diamond egg from Black Bear. And we know what happened last time, right?
Bonjour.
We got this gifted Tapplebean guy. So hopefully. Oh, wait, there's Jellybean guys over here. There's the little goobers.
I got a sticker. I just kicked a sticker.
Look, Snacks, the little goober guys.
I'm getting these over here.
What are you getting?
These. It gives
Sweet dreams are made of
coffee.
Oh.
What is that baby noise?
Sweet dreams are made of cheese.
Sweet dreams are made of
Your
bees.
pollen container still.
Yes, I believe it
Okay.
is. How many tickets do I have? Sweet dreams are made of
I have 177 tickets. Nice. I can almost get my
I have 16.
Cobalt bee.
I have 1,609 gumdrops.
I can almost get the cobalt bee.
I can almost get gummy bee.
Oh man. There, now I have 187. I'm gonna try to get at least 200, then I would only need more.
Sweet dreams. Man, this game is very good.
Yes. Very fun. Very fun. Very
This
nice.
game is very tasty.
Let's see if Commando.
We just got some from
Beastworm.
Beastworm merch.
It's pretty fun.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, guys.
You guys will probably be able to hear me better now.
Yeah, because he's actually here in the same room I am instead of on Discord also.
Sweet dreams are in crack.
What? What the Sigma? Sweet dreams are made of you. Memory match time. Oh man. Oh man. This one's a gas.
Wait, we might have a problem.
What is it, Snacks?
Can you see if you put the sticker in the sticker machine, do you get it back?
What sticker machine?
That where you get the 10 tickets.
Where?
You have to put it in the sticker machine. Right there.
Up there?
Yeah.
What do you mean put it in?
Because if you put it in, that's how you get the rewards.
Did you put my stickers in there?
Because that's the only way you can get it. If I lost it, I could go and get another one. I could get you an even better one.
Well, how will I test it?
Wait a minute. No, you must get it back because I have all of my stickers here that I am printed, I think.
Huh.
Oh, I don't like it sticker. Here, I could go get you another one, sorry.
You lost the blue square?
I think it's the blue one.
Then please get me a blue square.
Okay.
Because I saw you already have another S.
Another S? Oh yeah, you can have your S back if you want.
Okay. Sweet dreams are made of you.
Actually, I think... Actually, you might get it back. We'll see. I'll see.
Elsie? Bro, that face. Bro, what? Brother. What? Alright, try to grind.
I am. I'm actually close to finishing, actually. Let me finish.
saying.
Let me see this white pollen.
Wait a minute, I still have my blue square.
Wait,
No, I didn't trade you the blue square, I don't think.
wasn't it the?
Chef guy, dang it.
I could get you one of the. Here, look. Index. Here. Oh, what is that? Doodle cub?
Can you get me a cub skin?
That's gonna be really hard. I could try to get you a hive skin. It'll make your hive a different color.
I accept that.
Which color?
Wiggly cyan.
Okay. I'm not guaranteed that you're gonna be able to get it today, but I might.
Let me see. How do I get cub buddy? Cub skins. How do I get this?
Yeah, that one's you can't get anymore.
What about this one?
Completing all B Bears Summer 2024 class. Oh, that's the event that's about to come, and if you complete all of its quests, you get a Doodle Cub buddy.
What about bee cub skin?
Bee Cub? Limited.
A young polar bear going through an identity crisis. What? What? Okay, it's one. Those 2 minutes in there. 300 brown bear quests. What?
That's actually it would take you 300 hours to get that. 250,000 cogs. Oh, that's like the rarest. That's the rarest Cub Buddy skin in the game.
Reward for finishing the top 10 of the daily stick card challenge.
Yeah, that's like I've seen someone with it though.
Huh. What about this guy? After sticking all 12 stars signs to the sticker stack? What does that mean?
Want to see this? Want to see this face? Here, want to see an even cooler face?
Oh, nah, damn.
Too good.
Sweet dream.
Nah. Do your queso streak.
I think there's only 3 of these skins that you can get anymore.
What about the snowman?
The snowman? Oh, this guy?
Oh yeah, you can. Yeah, Henry, want to see a crazy face?
Nah.
Want to see an even better face?
Oh,
The way I just like.
I am Pickles and I am
A chicken. Wait, Pickles, come to the spider field.
Why?
Place your builder thing, your sprinkler.
Why? I don't wanna.
Please, you don't lose it. It's an infinite time use.
Oh, really?
Put it where I am. Here, go to me and put it right beside mine.
But I already put it.
You can place it again. See? It's infinite.
Huh. What's the drawback of it?
Look, whenever you, look how much pollen I'm getting now.
Whoa. Here. Come with me. Follow me.
Wait, I can't right now. Let me just do
Follow me.
But don't you want me to grind?
What? Well, yeah, but I'm taking you to a better grind spot.
Oh, is it? But I want to, because there's not much white pollen at the 25 area. It's only like red and blue. That's why I want to finish white and then do red and blue at the 25 area. Sweet dreams are made of me. Oh, that one hurts.
What? Sweet dreams are made of meat.
Bro was like,
Sweet dreams are made of
chicken.
Yo, those are the sweetest dreams.
Sweet dreams are made of chicken.
Bro, how are you doing that voice?
Sweet dreams are made of me. Who am I to disagree? I traveled the world and the 7 seas. Who am I to disagree?
Too good.
Bro, you're actually amazing at that voice for some reason. Bro, stop, it's freaking me out. You sound like a 5-year-old girl on a television show.
I'm gonna juggle your butt.
Yo, that sounds even more like a 5-year-old girl on a talent show.
This is what a 5-year-old girl sounds like.
Yo, what's up, bro?
Yo. No, that's what I sound like.
Henry, say something scarring.
Sweet dreams are
Say so-
made of snakes.
Say something scarring.
Sweet dreams are made of snakes. When I told disagree, I traveled the world and the 7 seas. Who am I to disagree?
Memory match time. Yo, yo. Aw. Yo. I'm too good. I'm too cool for school.
Skibbity Riz?
Yo, I'm too cool for
Get
school.
the magic bean. Get the magic bean.
I'm trying.
It's not in any of those two. Was that in the Skibbity Riz?
Bro, I'm too cool for school.
Can
Yo.
I try to make you laugh? If I make you laugh, you gotta give me 1 honey. Okay, ready?
That's not cool enough for school, man.
Here, I might be able to make you laugh. Say something scarring.
Tickle my toes.
No, I can't make you laugh. It's hard to make you laugh.
Sweet dreams are made
Here, let me do it.
of
Let me do it. Ready? Let me do it.
Sweet dreams are made of this.
Wait. Sweet dream. wait.
Mando check.
Sweet dreams are made of
Bro, what? What the sigma?
Sweet dreams are made of me. Who am I to disagree? I made it here first, bro. I traveled the world and the 7 seas. Who am I to disagree?
Yogurt Lord, is that you, buddy?
Yo, what's up, Yogurt Lord?
What?
13 minutes. 13 minutes.
I thought it was bedtime.
By the way, guys, I don't think we're gonna end. I think we're gonna try to not end this video until this
15
guy
minutes.
over here gets his diamond egg and hatches it.
15 o'clock.
19 o'clock, Aruno Ruski.
Guys, comment down below what mythical or legendary I hatched.
Oh yeah, guys, comment down below what you would like to sing, Snacks to sing in that sweet dreams voice. Next.
Sweet dreams are made of me.
No, the kid voice.
Sweet
Yo, an epic sprout spawned.
Guys, if you think I'm funny, tickle your butt. Wait, Pickles, where are you going, man? We gotta do the mom dope
I
shit.
can't take it anymore.
We're actually doing good damage.
Oh no.
Riz.
Please help me. No, like, please.
Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams, mother.
Clucker. Because it's Mondo Chick, get it? Cluck,
Sweet
cluck.
dreams, mother clucker.
Because get it? Cluck, cluck. I'm a
Cluck,
duck.
cluck, cluck.
I'm a cook. Sweet dreams
Cluck,
are
cluck,
farting
I'm a
in my
duck.
blood.
That's what happens in all my sweet dreams.
Give it a breath.
What? Hold on, let me coconut.
Here, wait. Let me just buy a
I'm
slot
coconutting
really
it.
quick. Let me just buy a.
Bro, I coconutted it.
What?
Go, caterpillar.
10 rare bee pollen. Oh, 1 anemones. Do you want it?
Well, where'd you get it?
I got it right in the store.
Hold up. Put the Mando check, please.
I was on that. Yeah, I was right there.
Oh,
Oh, there's an HP thing.
Hey, I got it. Oh, stack rewarded 3 tickets.
You found it.
I didn't even know you could peel those stickers off the wall.
Can you help me? Cause like, oh, I died. I'm coming back though.
Borowski, you didn't notice you died?
No. Wait. Should I buy the crimson bee or the cobalt?
Cobalt.
Okay.
I think Cobalt gives you like a boost on blue honey and.
I bought another whatever it's called, a honey slot.
Honey.
Here, I'll be right back. You do the whatever it's called, the Mondo Chick really quick. Let me just finish white pollen. I'm
I'm on top of the shop.
Can you finish get Mondo Chick low at least? Cause I just need to finish white pollen. Look, I'm almost done. Just 100k more.
Sweet dreams are made of me. Who am I to disagree?
I travel the world
World
in the 7 seas. Who am I to disagree? Wait, if I get a mythical bee and it's not gifted, I could just raise my 3 bees to level 8 and then give the star treat to one of them.
My dreams are made of me. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and 7 seas. Who am I to disagree? Sweet dreams are made of me.
Wait, how are dreams made of you?
To disagree. I travel the world and the 7
seas? That's like 15. That's like if you wanted to take a boat around the whole city.
Where's Snap Rustin?
Running one. It's not Rustin.
Look at my
I made you laugh.
Look at myself at this lectures.
Pineapple apple pen.
Peanut butter.
Can you make me laugh?
Peanut butter.
That's so funny.
Butter.
Are you gonna finish the Mondo Chick? Or no?
Applesauce and peanut butter is my favorite snack to eat on Mondays in the middle of the night. On the toilet, I pull up a fight.
Yeah, I actually did like the thing like perfectly.
No, not until Zach. Not until he gets his
Diamond egg.
Diamond.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done the first one. I'm done white pollen. I'm done white pollen.
Sweet dreams are made of me. Who are you to disagree? I died.
Okay, then we gotta go fast. We gotta go fast, like really
Hold
fast.
on, hold on. I want to take care of something.
Nah, wait, no, actually come in quick. Look. He's almost dead. Then I think here I should just grind here until I get the finishness.
What? Who texted? Sweet dreams are made of me. Who am I to disagree?
Bubble.
Ba, ba, ba. This guy two-shots me. Oh, and I'm dead.
I get one-shotted. Oh, never mind, I got two-shotted.
I
died! Okay, we actually gotta go quick. Faster, faster, faster.
Oh no! Oh no! I messed up. Bro, the cannon shot me right into it. Yogurt Lord. Bro, I'm dead. Man, I'm dead. Bro, this is too cool for school. I can do
Yeah,
this.
we're
I can do
cooked.
this. We can do this. What do you mean we're cooked? Bro, what do you mean we're cooked?
Oh
My finger really hurts.
It's coming for my toes.
My finger really hurts.
He's almost dead.
Hey, can I tickle your toes? Ah! I was talking to Mando Chick, man. Hey, can I make you into KFC?
Well, we're about to.
We're about to fry this chicken.
I just died. Bro, the video's going for 2 hours.
And the 7 seas.
Let me just use 13 royal jellies really quick.
Disagree. Yo, that's my favorite activity.
I did not get anything good from them.
Kool-Aid.
I love the Kool-Aid, yeah.
Oh, yo, what's up, honeybee? What's up?
He's almost dead. He's almost dead. Oh, what's up, honeybee?
Can you suck my toes?
What? No, he's gonna lather honey on your toes.
Honey on my toes.
Bro, I died again. Did you die?
Whoa.
Guys, I'm about to get the diamond egg soon. Once we kill Mondo Chick, I should be able to get him.
My finger really hurts.
I farted on my toes.
Like right there.
So if I do this thing,
Ow!
does that actually hurt?
Yes. Huh. Oh my god. So grind while you're fighting the Mando Chick.
But like, I still have a lot to do.
Right.
Look, I still have so much to do.
Grind, my brother. Actually, guys, I think we're gonna end this here, since it's already pretty long. No.
Alright, never mind.
Okay. Bye, guys. Hope you have a great day, guys. Bye, 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 bye. Bye.